Welcome to the front of new OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first launch the Gmail application, and now click on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account here in Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? We just should click here to manage accounts on this device, tap here to Google section and select one from this account. So for example, let's go with the second one and click here then on the right upper corner on the three dots. Then just click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. Now just in Google account settings we can see that we stay only with one account, and let's just go back to the application. And also in application we can see that we stay here only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.